Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets in electronics. Today, we have something special for all you photography enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of digital photography with the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. This camera is making waves as one of the best choices for portrait photography in the market. Stick around to find out why. Let's kick things off by introducing the star of the show, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. Packed with features that make it perfect for capturing stunning portraits, this camera is a game-changer. It boasts a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, ensuring you get crisp and detailed shots every time. Now, let's talk about some key features that set this camera apart. First, the built-in Wi-Fi capability allows you to easily transfer your photos to your devices, making it a breeze to share your amazing portraits with friends and family. One of the standout features is the 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF. These ensure that your subject is always in sharp focus, even if they're on the move. No more blurry portraits. Another fantastic feature is the optical viewfinder with approximately 95% viewing coverage. This means you can compose your shots with precision, ensuring that every detail is just right. Worried about low light conditions? Don't be. With an ISO range of 100/6400, this camera shines in challenging lighting situations, making it perfect for those moody and dramatic portrait shots. But it's not just about photos. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 excels in videography too. You can capture stunning full HD videos, making it a versatile tool for content creators. Wondering about lens compatibility? You're in luck. It works with a wide range of Canon EF lenses, so you can expand your photography horizons. Now, you might be thinking, all these features must come at a hefty price. Well, you'll be pleasantly surprised. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera is priced at just $479, making it an excellent value for the quality it offers. And if you're looking to enhance your photography experience, there are optional accessories available, like memory cards and lenses, to help you take your creativity to the next level. But don't just take our word for it. This camera has received rave reviews from users worldwide. With a 4.7-star rating and over 4,000 ratings on Amazon, it's clear that photographers are loving what the Canon EOS Rebel T7 has to offer. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best camera for portraits, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera should be at the top of your list. With its impressive sensor, advanced autofocus, and affordability, it's a game-changer for both beginners and experienced photographers. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in purchasing the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!